Have you ever wondered what's happening deep beneath our feet? Especially under those giant sleeping mountains we call volcanoes. Well, scientists have a special eye in the sky that's giving us a whole new perspective. We're talking about satellites, and the images they're sending back are absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine this. A volcano that looks perfectly calm on the surface is actually breathing. Satellites orbiting hundreds of miles above Earth can detect tiny, almost invisible movements on the ground. We're talking about the ground swelling up or sinking down by just a few centimeters. It's like watching the Earth take a slow, deep breath. This isn't science fiction. It's a technology called InSAR, which stands for Interferometric Synthetic Aperture Radar. It compares images taken at different times to create a detailed map of ground deformation. So, why is this so important? Well, this movement is a huge clue about what's happening in the volcano's plumbing system. When molten rock, or magma, moves up from deep within the Earth and starts to collect in a chamber closer to the surface, it pushes the ground above it upwards, causing it to swell. It's like blowing up a balloon under a blanket. You can see the blanket rise even if you can't see the balloon itself. Conversely, if the magma moves elsewhere or cools and contracts, the ground can sink. For volcanologists, these satellite images are like a doctor's checkup for a volcano. By tracking these subtle shifts, they can get a better idea of whether a volcano is just sleeping or if it might be waking up. For example, consistent, rapid swelling in a specific area could indicate that a magma chamber is filling up, potentially increasing the pressure and the likelihood of an eruption. This doesn't mean an eruption is guaranteed, but it's a critical warning sign. Let's look at some real-world examples. Scientists have used this technology to monitor famous volcanoes all around the world, from Mount St. Helens in the United States to volcanoes in Iceland and Italy. In many cases, periods of significant ground uplift have been observed months or even years before an eruption, giving authorities valuable time to prepare and plan. It helps them decide when to raise alert levels and, if necessary, evacuate nearby communities. This early warning system is a game-changer for public safety. This technology isn't just for predicting eruptions. It also helps us understand the fundamental processes that drive our planet. It reveals hidden fault lines, maps the flow of magma underground, and helps us build more accurate models of volcanic systems. Each new satellite image adds another piece to the complex puzzle of what makes our planet so dynamic and alive. The next time you look at a picture of a majestic volcano, remember that there's more going on than meets the eye. High above, our silent sentinels are watching, measuring, and helping us understand the powerful forces shaping our world, one tiny movement at a time. It's a perfect example of how technology can help us live more safely and harmoniously with the awesome power of nature. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of our amazing planet. See you next time.